BIM is all about, if we are talking only about BIM is all about information. The AI in the BIM, as you say, that's the most important part of it. So always think that what you do in a let's say in a 3D state also is or a graphical state. It's also important in a non-graphical state.
Yeah.
So this is the core thing about BIM, how graphical information and non-graphical information talks together and gives its requirement. Plus, always don't say that this is a simple thing. It's just a one piece of information that I missed or something that I didn't just add and it will not impact. Believe me always that every simple information that you have in your model that you miss will definitely have an impact at the end.
And I keep receiving the questions from the fellow students and the juniors that how they can transform their career to BIM. What I suggest them that is start learning the software, the one that is very influential in the market. I'll not name anything or any software, but start learning the software. Number one, start learning the process, and it take time to transform from one to another
Absolutely.
point. So